Let's start with the very first section of our Advanced Excel 2016 tutorials. In this particular video, we're going to learn how the 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial function in Advanced Excel can be used effectively. What we're going to see in this video is basically what is the 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial function and how do you use it effectively. Okay, now this function is going to be very useful for someone who uses Excel every day. If you are working with it on and off, then this function is very important for you to learn in order to make your tasks more quicker. Now, what does this do? This basically revolves around copying a set of data and then pasting it somewhere else. For example, if I have to copy this data somewhere else, what I need to do is select this, right click, click on this copy button. As soon as you click on copy, you will find that the cells that you had selected are now green highlighted, and what you need to do next is wherever you want to paste it, just keep your cell over there, right click and click on paste. As soon as you click on paste, you will find that the 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial option or this window opens up, which gives you various options to try out. It is asking you how do you want to paste a range. Whether you want to do it according to formulas, if you want to paste the values, if you want to paste the format. These are basically the features that are available in your 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial, and you need to choose the one which you want to use. Now, for example, over here, let's say I just want to copy the values. So click on values and click on OK. As soon as you do that, you can now click the escape key and see how it has been. Okay, if you look at the format, you will see that these cells just have the values. Here at this bar, you can see that only the values are visible. So if you're pasting only the values, that will get pasted. Now let's try something else. Let's say we copy this and we want to paste it over here. Click on 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial, and what you want to do is paste by formulas. So click on this formula radio button and click on OK. As soon as you do that, escape key, you will find that here you can see the formulas that have been used in order to add up the city sales in 2 years. So here you can easily see the formulas. So now the data has been pasted with the formulas. Again, let's see. Copy this, and if you paste it with only the values, you will see that here you can see only the values. But if you do it with formulas, you can see the formula that has been used in order to copy paste it. This is a shortcut that you can use to copy paste. For example, in order to copy, you can use Ctrl+C. So you just select this data on your keyboard, hit Ctrl+C, and you'll see it got highlighted. And if you want to paste it, you do Ctrl+V. So as soon as you do that, you will find that the table has been copied. It is in the formulas. You can see that directly a 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial has been used with the formulas. If you don't want this default one, you can go ahead and change it with other paste options as well. So you have various options under 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial. You can try them out, use them according to your need. Okay, there's one more thing which I need to tell you under 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial, which is known as the transpose function. This will help you take group of numbers, which are, let's say if they are vertical, you can make them horizontal, and if they are horizontal, you can make them vertical. How do you do that? For example, if I have to take this particular column, which is basically now horizontal, and I want to make it vertical, then what do I do? I'm sorry, it is as of now horizontal, you want to make it vertical. Press Ctrl+C, keep your cursor on the cell where you want to paste it. Click on 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial, and under 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial you have the transpose. So click on transpose and click OK. So now you can see this column has now become horizontal. First it was vertical and now it is in the horizontal format. So this is how you can use the transpose function. Encourage to try various 𝘭𝑰𝑠𝑝ecial options and see what you can do with it. This is a very simple lecture on how you can use the most simplest feature, which is actually used a lot of times when you work on Excel, which is basically the paste special. Let's now move on to the next useful function in Excel.